mean percent chance of rain? Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a science and math teacher for 20 years. I like to make math fun, engaging, and not so scary for everybody. If you want more practice problems, more information, tutoring sessions, click the link and do the stuff. So the percent chance of rain, it's kind of a combination. Like there were some TikToks that went out a while ago that was like, it's just a percentage of the area that's going to have rain. Yes and no. Meteorologists, I would love to hear from you about this, but here's my understanding of this. I'm not an expert on, but I'm pretty good at math. All right, meteorologists, when they're making these forecasts, it's a combination of both the amount of area of coverage and also how certain they feel about, it's not like a feeling. It's an actual calculation. Like it is actually math. It's not just like, oh, my knees hurt. Meteorologists will have all of these different models. And growing up in like hurricane country, I know all about like these prediction models and like the cone and where we think it's gonna go and all of that kind of stuff. So there's lots of different weather models that are constantly running. So let's say you have 10 of those models, 10 of those like possible outcomes, right? These possible scenarios. So you have 10 of these and 8 of them say it's gonna rain. So that would mean that you're basically looking at this with, you are 80%, because 8 out of 10, you're looking at it with 80% certainty. So again, the percent chance of rain is the certainty times the area of coverage. So if you multiply these together, that's going to give you your percent chance. So it's a combination of both the certainty. So let's say, again, you are 80% certain because 8 out of your 10 models showed that there will be rain. 8 out of 10, 80%. Excellent. But when you're looking at that area of coverage, you see that there's about 40% of your area, the area that you're looking at, right? Maybe that's like your county, your city, your state, right? It just depends on what you're looking at, right? The amount of coverage. And I wonder if there's like a standard area. There's gotta be like a standard area, like square mileage, right? Like with the radars, there's a range on all of that kind of stuff, but a lot of it is satellite based. It's probably square miles. What am I talking about? So let's say that in that area that you're looking at, whatever that area is that you're running the models on, it's 40%. So 80% of 40%, turn on. So 0.8 times 0.4 is 0.32. So we would call that probably like a 30% chance of rain. So what that means, well, I'm going to change this to squiggly equal signs because it's rounding. I'm going to call it about 30% because I'm 80% sure that 40% of you will have rain. We're going to call it a 30% chance of rain. That's mathed up.
Is that the real calculation?
That is what weather.com said.